Good day, everybody. It's Jerry from BackCountry Wrenching. Welcome to another video. Today's video, we're going to start using some of the products I bought in my Amazon Cabelas Bass Pro bushcrafting supplies that I decided I'm going to start practicing when I'm out in the bush instead of just doing the same old. You know, sometimes I go gold panning, sometimes I just like to relax, but sometimes I want to practice some skills. So today, if you guys saw that video a little while ago, if not, I will post a link in the description to everything that's in that bag. There's going to be a few things added, but we're going to look at 3 things. We're going to try them out and see if they're worthwhile or not. That's what I need. My little Cabelas bargain special multi-purpose knife. You get it on the end of the aisles or by the checkout for like 10 bucks. So this is my new purchase we're gonna try out. Got this at Cabelas. It's like a Viking style. I don't know if I call it an axe or hatchet, but for doing some projects around camp instead of using the big splitting axe, I think something like this would come in handy. Need to cut those straps. I was going to use the pliers, but they're too small, so we'll grab the little knife here. Little multi-knife came in handy already. So that's what we're going to look at. We got the rocket stove, Amazon, the Boundless Voyage stove, Amazon, and the Crkt Berserker axe that I got from Cabelas. These are the 3 things we're going to look at, and we're going to try them out. First time using them, so we're going to see how good they are. This thing's got a good feel to it. So it says the receipt, tap on hard surface. Yeah, that's what it did. So I got to remember, I want to make some kindling here, see what it's like for that. All right, this Crkt Berserker axe I got from Cabelas. First time using it. The only thing I might change on it is I might add some grip using hockey tape and make some ribs. You know, a little bit firmer grip. I think if this handle got a little wet, it might slide, but it's got real good balance to it. I made some kindling stuff with it, chopped little chunks of wood for my stoves. And it's definitely a great addition to my kit. Maybe it might be balanced enough to do some throwing, I don't know, but it has a little end at the back here, so I used it as a hammer as well. It does come with a little rubber piece for your blade, and it's probably best that you keep that on there for protection. The second item we're going to look at is one of my favorites, Rocketstoves, and this is the Ohuhu stove. It's stainless steel, comes in a very compact package. It's small. It's not going to take up a lot of room inside your kit. It's got a little grill there you want to use for grilling, and a little bowl there for some boiling, but I'm going to put all the wood in the bottom container, and that's how it's going to be set up. Sorry, I'm not going to use any bushcraft magic here by using Little flint and striking method, get a fire going. I'm just going to light it the old-fashioned way to get this ball rolling so we can try this out. I'm going to boil some water to make some tea. Telling you right now, I'm pretty impressed with the amount of flame that's coming out of that little tiny stove. We're so close to boiling. So close. Oh yeah. Right away. Steam is coming out. This is the first time that I've assembled the stove and used it, and so far I'm pretty impressed. And the price is really cheap too. Off Amazon.ca, it was $28, so you can't complain about that. It's not too much money at all. Let's get this out again, where I cursed and swore about the last time I was out camping because I didn't assemble it properly, and I was blaming the stove when it was really myself. So once you do understand and realize how the stove goes together, it actually goes together quite nice, and it fits very tight and very good. So you don't have to worry about it being unsteady or anything. So I just set everything up, got it going. It looks pretty sharp. And the only thing that it's missing right now is the grill to go on top. And luckily, last year, I picked up the original BushCraft grill set that I've never used because I bought them. And I looked at the grills. And I'm like, these are so small. What am I going to use these for? These are pretty useless for me. But I held on to them. And now I have a purpose for them to use on this little titanium stove. Let's get her lit and let's cook some food. I let it burn for a bit, burn down, get some coals before I put my food on, because you don't want to put food on the hot flame like that. So I just got some leftover smoked chicken from a restaurant that I went out to. I'm going to tell you right now, if you're looking for a little portable stove matched with these grills, this actually worked out really well, and I'm pretty happy with it. And I like the color that it has now after its first burn. I'm looking forward to using this again. That's it for the backpack for today. If you have anything else I should add, post it in the comments below. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Checked out that axe from Cabelas, 2 stoves from Amazon. Definitely a great addition to my camp kit. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a great day.